students. How are you all doing? I'm sure you all are back to your books and enjoying your online studies. Today I'm going to start with a new chapter, Why Do Bees Buzz? Written by Nabanita Deshmukh. She's a very famous author for children's stories. Children, you all know what are bees. Bees are small feathered insects which collect nectar from the flowers to make honey. They produce a sound by flapping their wings called buzzing. So let's begin the chapter. Buzz. Hey, what's all buzz about? Is it a code word used by bees to call their friends or a hum of excitement when honey is spotted? So, children, it is believed that bees make the buzzing sound to call their friends or when they are happy to find honey. They buzz to show their excitement. Bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound as they fly. The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. And the quicker they beat, the louder the buzz. Children, let me tell you that bees also have different sizes and have different responsibilities. They live in colonies and have different roles to play for their queen and drone. And bumblebees, these bees produce loud sound when they flutter or beat their wings up and down. Bees also buzz to do something very useful. They carry pollens from one flower to other like a postman delivering letter. Bees carry a very important job. They are best pollinators. They carry the pollens from one flower to another like a postman. Pollen is the powdery grain on a flower. Pollens help plant to make seeds. Bees are excellent pollinators. Thanks to them, many new plants grow and sprout all around. Children, I believe you all have seen powdery or soft grains over a flower. They are called pollens. They are transferred from one flower to another flower to form seeds, and these seeds germinate to grow into a new plant. How do those tiny grains of pollen stick to the bee's feet? When the bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of the pollen stick to their feet and bodies. So, children, these pollen grains are transferred from one flower to another by sticking on the feet of the honeybees. When they suck nectar, they carry them on their feet. Then, when the same bees buzz near a flower and perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollens off on other flowers. The bees then fly to other flowers, leave the pollens behind to pick up the new ones, and this process continues. Now, children, the pollens are dropped on other flowers, and these bees dances around the flowers, forming different patterns, and the same process is continued on different flowers. Bees are the buzzing godfathers of many new plants that grow away from the parent trees. Now we all know why are bees called buzzing godfathers? They are called so because they carry the pollens far away from the parent plant. Can you hear your own breath? Usually not. But you can hear a bee breathing. That is because the buzz is also sound of the bee breathing. It has a small segmented body, so when it breathes, the air gets on a roller coaster ride through all those bumpy parts inside, creates buzz. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Aren't those busy bees truly amazing? Now we have learned that these busy, buzzy bees are really amazing. They produce this sound when they are excited or when they find nectar or even when they are breathing. They look wonderful when the air gets into their body in the partitioned or segmented body like a roller coaster. I think you all know what is roller coaster. It's a joy ride.